5 years from now, many students used to go for YouTube videos. If they want any content, anything, they would go to the YouTube videos. But right now, in these 3 to 4 years, what has happened is that same YouTube videos, now the things which is happening is a YouTube live classes. And it is shown as that it is a personalized way of teaching. Now let's say if you have a live class and you have more than 100 students or 500 students or 1,000 students, and the only way of interacting with the teacher is a chat window, do you think it's personalization in any way? So what is happening right now, we call it a mass market strategy. What is the mass market strategy is reduce your fees very low, cater to the mass market, just show them that this is a personalized learning going on, and the teacher would be teaching maybe 200 students or 500 students or maybe 1,000 students. And the only way of interacting is a chat. And can you believe that a teacher who can't even see the chat window teaching a live class, and even if they are able to see the chat window, will they be able to handle the queries of 1,000 students or 500 or even 100? I don't think so. So what exactly has happened is that 5 years from now, it was YouTube videos, right? It is a YouTube live class. Now, and that is shown as a personalized learning. Now, I ask a question to you. Do you really feel, is it a personalized learning? Number two, if it is taught to the mass market, if it is free on the YouTube, what exactly is your edge? If the teacher, bad or a good teacher, is teaching a live class which is free on the YouTube, my question is, where exactly, if it is the mass market I'm handling, where exactly is the edge? And now let me just show you. See, I have been giving CAT I think from 2017, and what exactly I recognize. Right now CAT is much easier compared to that time, so 20s, maybe 19, 18, 20, 21, 23, right, from compared to even 23, this CAT 2025 was much easier. But most of the people found it very difficult. Now, taking any section, let's say people found Quant very difficult. The whole Quant was a very basic topics like profit loss, sequence series, maybe work and time, log, very basic questions concept wise. The only thing it needed was your understanding, how much well you are able to understand that topic. If I just put a question to you, a person has borrowed X money, and let's say that cumulatively these are the interest or cumulative interest this is being generated, what exactly is going to get after X years or 7 years or 10 years, can we call it as a difficult question? The only thing which was in the CAT 2025 was a lengthy Quant paper. But my point is a very simple one. When my target is 15 to 16 questions, how exactly it is lengthy even? Am I going to do all the questions? Am I even targeting all the questions? So what exactly the point I'm making is the dejection or the feel, the people are finding it more difficult. Now let me add to the thing that for the past 2-3 years, most of the companies, most of the education companies are actually posting free videos on every topic. Now my question is, when there are so many, let's say if I want to understand, let's say reading comprehension or critical reasoning or para summary, I have 10 companies videos, live classes going on even in that week, even might be even in a day. Then with so much things to be there, when so many teachers teaching you things, then also why so many people are dejected? Number one, the reason number one, what is the edge? What exactly was the differential when it was being taught to the mass market? Now out of 3 lakh people, only 1% is going to be winner. So how the mass market is going to make you a winner? Number 2, this whole concept of mass market actually is to increase a company footprint, a digital footprint, more subscribers, more watch time, more revenue from the YouTube. Yes, companies get the revenue. But the point what I'm trying to say is the idea of a mass market is to increase a digital footprint. Number 2, most are done for the marketing thing. I meant to say the main idea of a class is to market. Number 3, as I told you, it is based upon the mass market strategy. Now, even one more aspect which I would like to add. In these live classes, free live classes, do you really think if I ask a teacher after even teaching, let's say 1 year after teaching 1 year, a teacher would be knowing even one name of the student? Believe me, the teacher doesn't even know one name of the student, even if that student has been attending all the classes throughout the year. What is education? Education is interaction. Education is not about telling you this is a content. All the students will understand it differently based upon their weakness and strength of the learning, even their IQ. So that's what interaction makes the things very much different. The next reason, what YouTube live classes do is they will make you a passive learner. You are listening to, let's say if I'm talking about reading comprehension, you're listening to 10 companies posting 10 videos, 10 live classes every day. Now what you feel is 10 teachers teaching you and you understand reading comprehension. The only problem with the whole part of the learning is you are a passive learner. If you are looking at a video of even 1 hour, you will need around 30 hours of practice to even get imbibed in you. So I meant to say, the focus of everything should be on 2 things. Personalization, how much personalized that education is to me. And number 2, very most important thing is what kind of a teaching is being done. Let's say if a person is teaching only for the marketing sake, what exactly the teacher will do? The teacher will pick very difficult questions which the teacher would have seen many times, would have taught many times, and he will show you some kind of a shortcut techniques and you will feel very good about the whole thing. Believe me, it is not based upon the learning. The focus is not what you learn. The focus is on the marketing.